This is my review of the 2019 MacBook Pro 15-inch. As you could tell right here, I really loved how the bag felt. The bag felt so good, this deserves to have its own review. But back to the computer. I went with the 560X Radeon card as I did not feel a need to get the Vega 16 or 20 due to the fact that Apple does make an attachment that will give you desktop graphics cards. For a moment there, I thought about stabbing the box because it was wrapped in very tight plastic seal, but I was like, nah, might cost a little bit too much to do that. So right now I'm just looking for a corner to get it into. As you can tell, this box is very nicely sealed. I will tell y'all, as I was holding this computer, this laptop, it felt very heavy. I was expecting it to be extremely light because whenever you look at it, it doesn't look like it has much weight to it, but it actually is fairly heavy. I would say it weighs somewhere in between 5 to 7 pounds in hand, especially whenever you get it out of the box. Now, as you're going to see very soon, this did not come with a lot of accessories. This was my first MacBook I have ever owned. In fact, this is my first Mac computer I've ever bought, and I was very underwhelmed by the actual accessories that comes with it. All that you're going to see inside of the box is just a charging cable and a wall plug-in for that charging cable. Other than that, you don't have anything. Just cable and AC adapter. That's it. Speaking of the accessories, you are definitely going to have to buy adapters for this laptop because my iPhone is an iPhone 8. I'm not sure what the 10 has, but it does not connect through Thunderbolt. So if you have an 8 or lower model number, you're definitely going to have to step up and buy the adapter to even be able to plug it into this laptop, which is unfortunate. It's a huge miss for me, and I really don't like that fact. Now, keep in mind, this is 5 to 7 pounds in hand. I will say a plus to this is the build quality feels amazing. It feels very sturdy. There wasn't much flex on the back of the laptop screen. So it was very nice to hold. Very good. While it is very nice to hold, it has an amazing feeling keyboard and amazing speakers. I will say I am disappointed with the screen. It is not a glass screen. It is an LCD panel.